Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to add a blog to your Shopify store. Now, in the homepage of your Shopify, navigate the content section, then select blog post. Now, in here, all you have to do is to click the create blog post button. Then after that, you will head to input your blog content. So, in here, all you have to do is to input the title of your blog. Like for example, the modern dressing. And then in the content, all you have to do is to input the description of your blog. So like for example, this one. And then in the excerpt is all you have to do is to input the summary of your content. And then after that, in the search engine listing, just tap the edit and then you can change the page title and also you can add a meta description. Like for example, a dressing in modern world. Then after that, in the visibility, just set this to visible and then you can upload the image of your blog. So in the organization section, so you need to input the author and then the blog. So usually this is the category of your blog. So you can add multiple blog content in your Shopify store. And then in blog section, in here is you can add the blog categories. So usually you can run multiple blog contents in your Shopify store. Like for example, I'll be adding a new blog title such as recommendation. And then you can also add tags. And then in the theme template, just set that to default blog post. And once you're all settled with your blog content, just tap save button. Then after that, go to online store. Then tap customize. Now in here in your blog post section, just tap this select button. In here, just choose the blog you just created. And there you go, our blog post is already added into our store. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.